If you're new to using Meta AI, here's a quick beginner's guide to using the chatbot across Meta platforms. You'll find Meta AI built into apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and Messenger. To start using it, open any of these apps and look for the sparkle icon or Ask Meta AI option, usually in the search bar or chat area. Tap it and you'll be taken to a chat where you can ask anything from content ideas to quick answers or write in help. You can type casual prompts like give me a caption for a morning coffee post or even ask it to explain something in simple terms. The more specific your question is, the better the results are. And if you don't like the first answer, just ask it to try again and rewrite it in a different tone. It's like having a personal assistant built into your favorite apps. Try it out and follow for more beginner friendly AI tips. Guys, if you did follow this, find these videos helpful, like, subscribe, and comment down below. Until then, I'll catch you in the next video.